Hey everyone, welcome to this video where we crack the myth that you have to code to be in tech. So my name is Kaf and I'm going to present this on this special topic which is non-coding jobs in tech. Today I'm going to show you how you can land a job with high paying fulfilling tech career even if you have never written a single line of code. Let's get into it. So first of all, you need to get there are numerous high paying tech roles that requires no coding skills. This presentation highlights various non-coding positions available in technology sector, showcasing the skills and tools needed to succeed in these roles. So let's be real, not everyone wants to live inside a terminal, right? The good news, the tech industry is bursting with roles where creativity, communication, and strategy matter just as much as code. In this deck, you will discover roles that are totally non coding and totally in demand. Let's explore. So, first of all, here's the lineup, okay? We have got manual tester, the guardians of software quality, business analysts, the translators of business needs. Third, Scrum Masters and Product Owner, the Agile rock stars. These roles are the backbone of modern tech teams and they don't require you to be a Python ninja or a Java junkie. Manual testers are like digital detectives. They break the app so your consumer don't have to. Think of them as people who find bugs before they become Twitter complaints. Skills you will need: writing test cases, basic logic, attention to details, and tools like Jira and Postman. If you love problem solving but hate coding, this is your jam. Now, move to the next slide. We are talking about business analyst. Now, this role is all about communication and clarity. BAs are the ultimate bridge builders, translating complex tech talk into real world solutions, tools of the trade like Excel, Leucid chart, flow diagrams, and a lots of meetings. If you have got a brain for logic and a knack for organizing chaos, this one for you. Now move to the next slide, which is product owner, Scrum Master. All right, if you are more of a team coach or visionary, welcome to the world of Scrum Master and Product Owner. You will run in sprints, plan backlogs, and keep developers from going rogue. You will live inside Jira and Trello, and trust me, that's easier than it sounds. This is the perfect role for natural leaders, planners, and communicators. Now, some tips to boost entry level careers. Now, let's get real and how do you get started? Learn the basic first of all, like ISTQB, Agile, or how to use Postman. Second, build a smart portfolio, even if it's just a side project. Third, simulate real world work. Contribute to GitHub or open source stuff. Fourth and last, apply wide and apply smart. LinkedIn, Indeed, and career sites are your best friends. Now, we talk about essential skills and tools. No matter the role, some tools just keep popping up, like Jira, Confluence, Excel, and Postman. Don't worry, most of them are easier than Instagram filters. These tools help you stay productive and collaborative, and they are 100% learnable. So the first one you can say is continuous learning. Let me hit you up with some truth. Learning is not optional anymore. With AI evolving fast, those who keep learning are the ones who keep winning. Pick up small new skills every week, and you will be, you can say, unstoppable. I can say. Now boosts problem solving and innovation. You can say learning new skills or exploring new subjects gives your brain more tools to solve problems creatively. It also helps you connect idea across disciplines, some things that highly valued in modern jobs. The more you learn, the more creative you become. Suddenly you are not just solving problems, you are predicting and preventing them. Tech loves people who think outside the box, and that is you. Major thing, here's the secret sauce of modern terms, you can say agile. Okay. So Scrum, Kanban, sprints, daily stand-ups, it's like speed dating for software development. Learn Agile and you instantly become 10x more hireable. Trust me. Conclusion, transition into non-coding roles in tech is achievable with targeted skills development and practice. By learning the specific tools and methodologies associated with roles like QA analyst, business analyst, and product owners, individual can successfully enter and thrive in the technology sector without a coding background. You can say, like, so there you have it. Tech is not just for coders anymore. It's for thinkers, planners, testers, and communicators like you. Whether you are shifting career or just getting started, not coding, tech roles are your golden tickets. And best time is to start these things is right now. So I can suggest you can start right now. Thanks a ton for hanging out with me today. If you have any questions, curious about next step, call us or drop an email. We are happy to guide you towards your tech career dream. Call us on 802-518-0095 or email us at qatraining@infotech-solutions.com. Let's get you hired without writing a single line of code. Talk soon. Thanks.